What's up, guys? Oh my god, my forehead! Excuse this, it's so ugly, but yeah, so today I'm doing a DIY Christmas slime. I'm gonna be going to the store right now. I think all I need is glue and what's it called? eye contact solution and detergent. I believe that's all you need. And I'm making some food coloring and stuff, so yeah. I'm so mad right now. There's only freaking 3 glue bottles. That's not gonna be enough. So I have to go to a different store. We are going to Family Dollar or Dollar Tree. I'll pick it up. Okay guys, so we're going to get the glue from Dollar Tree. So let's see where it's at. It's not here. Hey Moss, how you doing? You work here now?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay. Where's the glue at?
Probably stationary.
No one over? Babe, where's the glue? So I didn't have that store, so now we're going to go to Family Dollar. So I found the glue. Hold on. I found the glue. They only have the little ones, which will work. I'm gonna buy all of them. So yeah. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 13 I'm gonna buy. So I got this stuff right here. I bought all of them, all 14. But my phone's gonna die, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so we have all the stuff here. Hold on.
For the video.
Yeah, for the video we have. So we have the like 14 freaking glue bottles, the containers, this to stir it with,
Different colors.
colored food coloring, and we're going to be putting some of this in there too. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with our first color. Okay, pick one hand. The one he picks the first color we're gonna do. Pick a hand.
Right.
Green. He chose green.
Alright.
Alright, so let's do this. So
Let's do this.
we
It
have
sounds like
this.
fun.
This is our mixing bowl.
That's cool.
So
Where'd you buy the bowls?
Kroger's.
Nice. Those are big bowls too.
Mm-hmm. Alright, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do 7 of each, so let's
This is gonna look so cool.
I don't know.
Dude, you should sell these online. The
What?
glue, the things we're making.
Shoot. Oh my lord.
The thing that we're making, we should sell it online for like $10.
Mm-hmm.
Make money at it.
Like a slime.
No sass, yeah, some ones like slimes. Some for like $8 to $10 a piece.
On.
Went over, didn't it?
Dude, my freaking. I'll put. Why do you have it on flash?
I don't know what I did. I don't know what I hit. I don't know. Go.
Let's do this on flash. Okay, so I'm gonna empty all of them out.
Trying to do as good as I can.
Oh my lord, this happened again. Dude. I'm so mad.
Slip fingers.
I'll just. God, my fingers get glue anyways. Do you guys see how terrible I'm doing? Okay. Oh my freaking lord. Really? End it. Okay, so I'm trying to not mess this up again. Because every time I put it in there, the bottle will slip out of my hands and get all in there. Okay, ready?
Go.
I think I got too many glue bottles. Right?
I don't know.
This is gonna be good slime.
Oh yeah.
This is a Christmas edition slime video.
Yep.
What in the world? Why the hell? Look. Why is there freaking a black cap on?
Okay, grab a knife.
Alright, guys.
What?
Nothing.
That didn't sound
We
right.
might. I said inappropriate. We might add just do two more. Or we might do 3 of them.
That's a lot of glue.
Huh.
I'd do 2.
2 more.
Yeah, 2. Hey, you're the one being inappropriate.
No, I'm not. You're crazy.
Yeah, for you.
Alright, I'm gonna do 1 more. Hopefully this fucking works because I spent like $40. I spent like $40 on all of this, so
On
hopefully
glue?
on glue, the contact solution, everything. Should that be enough?
Yeah. It'll be more than
Come on.
enough.
Alright.
Let's turn it off.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go.
Go.
Okay guys, so we're gonna put some, so we're done with, this is a lot of slime. That's gonna be a lot. So I'll put some not kind of solution. Put some, a little bit of detergent.
Especially sneezing like crazy.
I think that's enough.
I'll put a little bit more. I put just a little tad
Tiny
more.
bit more.
Yeah.
Are you recording me?
Yeah, I'm recording you. I'm trying to anyways. There you go.
Okay, now the contact solution, get both here in me. So like, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm gonna put some.
Contact solution.
Yeah, it's what's supposed to be. Alright, record me.
I'm recording you. Oh, that's cool.
It is cool. I need more contact solution. This should work. Oh, it's working.
Good.
Oh my god, are you getting this?
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, that looks sick! Hold on, more contact solution. Dude, that looks sick. And with the freaking, what's it called? And with the, dude, that looks awesome. With the, what's it called? The food coloring is gonna look so dope.
That is cool.
That is. That's so satisfying.
Say that again.
Oh my god. I'm gonna see what this happens. Let me see if it gets off. That looks freaking dope. Again, this way.
Yeah.
Stop. Okay, guys, so we have green food coloring. I'm gonna add it here. Hopefully I don't get on anything. I'm gonna do a couple jobs. Oops. Show me. I did not mean for it to come out that fast. Alright, get this. Oh my god! Dude, this is epic fail. Oh.
I think it looks cool.
Alright. Okay, so we're done with the green slime. Now I'm going to make the red one. Okay, so we're gonna start by the glue again. Hopefully my hand doesn't slip this time because that's really annoying. Do the noises. Your face.
What in the Halloween is that?
Hmm?
I don't know, I'm just trying to be funny.
Oh. Can't stop laughing. You're like. I already went through like 6 already. Total, like, counting this one.
Marissa.
No, I did nothing.
You're over there laughing.
Did we get good enough?
Yeah.
Or one more. Here's the one. Okay, so I'm gonna pour in a little bit of
There's
this.
someone here.
Oh yeah.
Let me do it.
Do a half it. Right there.
Ooh.
Sorry, I get you.
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright, I'm gonna mix it up. This slime, sorry, Ben. These slimes, this one and the green one is not turning out. I'm trying to get a consistency. It's alright. It's actually alright. Okay, I made the slime correct this time. I think.
Oh, yeah.
That is way better than the green one. Right?
I think so.
This is like the consistency is way better than the green one. I'll put a little more in here.
No.
Yeah, that's way better.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you think?
I think so.
Now I'm gonna put the food. Oh my lord. I'm gonna put the food coloring in. Red food coloring for Christmas.
Try this time only 2 drops.
Okay, the green one I didn't mean for it to
Happen.
yeah. Can you open that? Having you guys in school put glue in your hand and rub it together, it looks like the skin's coming out. Literally. I've done that in like 5th grade. I was born.
It ain't working.
Let me see.
My spoon when you can open it.
Give me that spoon again.
You're touching my spoon. Brought that from home. So you're doing very well, is it?
No one. Sorry, I forgot that hold on, we're gonna try this. Alright guys. I don't know how this is gonna come out. Very slowly.
Ooh.
It happened again!
What?
Dude!
On the table?
Dude, the food coloring spilled my table! Oh my lord. I want my phone. So my food... Oh my god. So my food coloring spilled on my table. I'm really upset. So, whatever, it's whatever. Freaking god. Oh my god.
Look at here.
Sorry guys, hold on. Literally, I freaking put my hand in the fucking, what's it called?
Food dye.
Food dye, so very careful to not ruin my table. Now we're gonna do the red. That's like blood. Someone's gonna come in here. Oh, it's turning brown.
It looks cool. I think it looks cool.
It's turning brown.
Keep doing it. Looks cool.
I like the color brown, but just, you know.
Dude, it looks like
It looks like It does look. It looks like a heart.
Dude, it's
Like
cool.
an actual human heart. That's what it looks like.
It does, but it's cool.
That's what it looks like. It looks like a freaking human heart.
It's so cool.
Okay, so we're done making them. What should we do next?
Sweet challenge.
No, I'm playing with the slime. Look, I'm so mad.
She's the Incredible Hulk woman.
Anyways, that was our slime. Okay, that's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe. Peace.